Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down the cabinet and unplugging it. Safety prevents damage and shocks. You then remove the control panel trim to access buttons, because seeing the micro switch and wiring tells you if the issue is mechanical or electrical. Once open, pull a button assembly gently and note connector orientation, so reassembly is foolproof. Make quick continuity checks with a multimeter on suspected switches. This first pass separates simple fixes from parts replacement. You now perform systematic testing. Press each button while probing for continuity to locate failures, because intermittent faults hide until you stress them. Once identified, clean switch contacts and plunger bushings with isopropyl alcohol to remove grime that causes poor contact. If cleaning fails, remove the faulty microswitch and replace it, or resolder frayed wires. Make sure solder joints are shiny and solid. As you work, label connectors and keep screws organized so nothing is lost. You reassemble the panel carefully. Make sure each connector is fully seated and housing clips snap back so buttons align with bezels. Once assembled, plug in and test every button in game to confirm consistent actuation, because real use reveals timing or travel issues. If a problem persists, check cabinet grounding and wiggle test wires for intermittent breaks. Poor ground or a frayed trace can mimic switch failure. Finally, document replaced parts and keep spares to speed future repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.